Hello friends, welcome back to Exams Made Easy. In our previous two videos, we had discussed back-to-back two engineering recruitment notification, and both the recruitment notifications were published by Bharat Electronics Limited, and this is one of such recruitment notification. This has also published by Bharat Electronics Limited, and this is for trainee engineer. So friends, if you have not watched those videos, you can watch those videos from our Telegram channel, and as well as you can follow the links available in the description box of this video. And friends, before we begin, I would like to inform you that if you are an engineering graduate or an engineering diploma, then this is the right place for you, because here in Exams Made Easy we used to discuss each and every engineering recruitment notifications, be it all the central government public sector undertaking organizations recruitment notifications, all the state government recruitment notification analysis notifications, as well as friends, we used to cover all the central government recruitment notifications. So if you have not yet subscribed our channel, then please do subscribe, and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any further updates. So friends, coming back to the analysis of this recruitment notification. So friends, BECL is going to recruit trainee engineers in category 1, and total number of vacancies 5. And if you look at the various discipline wise vacancy, for general number of vacancies 3, for OBC 1 and SC 1. So friends, educational qualification is mentioned here, BE or BTech course from reputed university, and the trades are electronics and communication, electronics and technology, telecommunication, triple E with first class, and only pass class is required for SC/ST category of candidates and for person with disabilities. And friends, you should have proficiency in computer skill like MS Office, Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Outlook, etc. And friends, as well as should have good verbal and written communication skill, and should be able to manage teams. Candidate well versed with local language will be preferred, and experience is also required, 1 year's post qualification experience, and age limitation is 25 years as on 1st of July 2020, and consolidated pay of rupees 25,000, 28,000 and 35,000 will be paid for the 3 consecutive years. And friends, upper age relaxation is also permissible, 5 years for SC category and ST category of candidates, 3 years for OBC category of candidates, and for 10 years for person with disabilities. So friends, moreover, I would also like to inform you that this is the website by following which you can get each and every information regarding the same. And friends, application fee of 2000 rupee you have to pay it if you belong to SC general or OBC category of candidates. For SC/ST, person with disabilities, and for friends economical weaker sections, no application fee is required. So friends, what is the procedure of application? This is the website by following which you can apply online. The link you can get from our Telegram channel, as well as the link is available in the description box of this video itself. By following the link, you can apply online, and online application procedure has already been started from 22nd July onwards, and it will continue till 2nd August 2020. So friends, you have no need to send any printout copy or hard copy to Bharat Electronics Limited. You just have to keep that copy with yourself for further correspondence. So friends, this was all about the recruitment notification analysis. So you have not yet subscribed this channel, then please subscribe, and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any further updates. Thanks for watching. As always, have a nice day ahead.